Hi everyone! In today's recipe I present you two super simple gluten-free versions of the classic breadsticks or Italian grissini. They're made with oat flour, Parmesan cheese and sesame seeds, and they're seasoned with rosemary and sweet paprika. As you see, they require just a few ingredients and both taste great. I've made my own oat flour by putting whole oats into a coffee grinder and processing until it was very fine. So let's begin with the first breadsticks recipe. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Place oat flour, chopped rosemary, salt and sesame seeds in a medium bowl. Stir until combined. Add water and olive oil and stir until a dough forms. Let the dough rest for 5 minutes, then gather into a bowl. Place dough ball on a sheet of parchment paper and roll into a rough rectangle shape. Cut dough into strips using a pastry wheel or knife. If desired, trim the ends straight. Slide the parchment with the breadsticks onto a baking sheet and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the breadsticks are golden brown and crisp. The second breadsticks recipe is very similar to the first one. Place oat flour, salt and sweet paprika in a medium bowl. Stir until combined. Add water and olive oil and stir until a dough forms. Let the dough rest for 5 minutes, then gather into a bowl. Place dough ball on a sheet of parchment paper and roll into a rough rectangle shape. Cut dough into strips using a pastry wheel or knife. Trim the ends if desired. Slide the parchment with the breadsticks onto a baking sheet. Sprinkle the breadsticks with grated Parmesan cheese and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown and crisp. Store in an airtight container and they will stay crisp for several days. So crunchy and delicious, these oat breadsticks make a perfect snack for anyone who loves to munch on while waiting for dinner to be ready, and they're also a great addition to any appetizer, platter or buffet. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.